Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick video on how to change voiceover voices on your iPhone. This is an accessibility feature built into iOS. So first thing you want to do, settings, scroll down to general, tap that, then accessibility, voiceover, speech, and then you go into voice, and as you can see, these are all the voices you can get. This is in the latest iOS version, which is 11.4. I'll just quickly show you that. Sorry about that, guys, just ignore that. That's just the way. There you go, you can see it's iOS 11.4. So, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment. Thanks.